Gun Game, get a kill with every weapon to win.
Go, 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 go. Come on. Get out. Stop. That's it. Yeah. Let's go. No. Good. Come on. What? Hey. Let's go. That's it. What? Get out. Come on. Hey. Get out. Go, go, go. Let's go. Nani? That's it. Stop. No. No. Come on. Good. Hey. Showtime. Let's go. Perfect. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Get Yeah. Let's go. Come on. No.
Haha, your power.
Yum. 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 Yum.
Okay, that's it. This is Nerf Gun 10.0 Battlefield School Place. So thank you very much for our subscribers to continue supporting and watching our videos. So by the way, we have a new characters here. So let's introduce one by one. So this is, what is your name? Doggy, aka known as Jobik. Who are you?
Monkey Man.
Monkey Man. What is your name? Jade. Okay, this is?
T-Rex.
What is your name?
Vincent.
Vince.
My name is Banana Boy.
Banana
My name
Boy?
is Clarence.
Clarence.
My name is Martian Boy.
Okay, our main character? Mushroom Boy, Mark Nino.
Opposite girl. So,
Sino? Ano?
opposite girl.
Okay, opposite girl. Squid girl. Okay, Zoe. Opposite. And this is? Bunny Chick. Just remove your mask. Okay, this is Charis Pempenko. And our best actress,
Lola Bebang.
Lola Bebang, also known as? Halino. Okay. Uy! This is? Linya May. By the way, this is only a friendly Nerf Gun game. Nothing serious. This is Nerf Gun 10.0. Peace, yo!
Hey,